Okay, in this video we're going to be working out the speed of water waves. So first we're going to get a water tank, make sure it's transparent and fill it up with water. So over here we have two pieces of equipment attached to this. So this is a dipper. When the dipper hits the water, it's going to create waves. Next, we're going to take this strobe light and turn it on. The strobe light is not a normal light because it flashes, and we can control the frequency of the flashing by changing the settings. Now, as soon as the strobe light is turned on, you will see shadows appearing below the tank. These shadows are essentially from the waves. Since the water waves are moving forward, again, the shadows will also appear to be moving. However, this will be a problem for us if we want to measure the distance between the waves. So what we need to do is adjust the frequency of the strobe light until it matches the frequency of the water. And the way we'll know that the frequency of the strobe light and the frequency of the water have matched is because the shadows will appear like they're not moving anymore. So slowly adjust the frequency of the strobe light's flashing until it matches that of the waves. And stop changing it as soon as the shadows appear stationary. So let's say that at 50 Hz, the shadows at the bottom of the tank appeared stationary. That means the frequency of the strobe light and the frequency of the water are synchronized. This means that the water waves also have a frequency of 50 Hz. So now that we have the frequency of the waves, how do we work out the wavelength? To do that, all you have to do is measure the distance between two lines of shadows. It could be these two, or these two, or these two. However, to get the most reliable answer, the best thing is to get a mean. Which means, measure the distance from the first line to the last line, and divide it by the number of shadows that you see. So for example, if all of this was 2 meters, we can see that there are 4 complete waves. That will give you an average wavelength of 0.5 meters. Finally, to calculate speed, we're going to do frequency times wavelength. Now, we know the frequency of the waves was 50 Hz, and we worked out the wavelength was 0.5 meters. So we're going to use our formula and work out the speed. And that gives us a final answer of 25 meters per second. Hey guys, if that video helped you, support our channel by liking, subscribing and sharing it with your friends. And more importantly, if you still have questions, drop a post on our forum at ExamQA.com, where I will personally be there to help answer your questions. Mohammed signing out.